So, first product natin ngayon guys is itong, again guys ito siya, 6 pieces na siya na correction tape, school office stationery. So, 5mm by 5mm yung sukat or size niya. So, 6 na piraso nito guys ang marireceive mo. And ang kinaganda kasi nito guys, so far sa dinami-dami ng correction tape na nagamit ko, mostly kasi napuputol yung ganito niya. Kahit marami pang laman, kaya ang ending hindi na natin magamit kasi naputol na siya. So yun yung guys, so far ito yung ginamit ko. Hindi naman siya naputol guys, hanggang naubos na lang yung laman niya. Yan. So, perfect to for students, guys, and for employees or mga nasa office work. So, dual function siya, guys, It offers dual-headed. So, functionality, and easy lang din siya, and accurate correction. So, hindi siya puputol-putol, guys. Pag once na ginamit mo siya in a one way, hindi yan nagpuputol-putol. So, instant din yung correction na to guys. Quickly and cleanly. So, corrects mistakes. Saving time and effort. So, isang ganyan yun lang guys. Mabubura na yan siya. Or matatakpan niya ng correction tape natin. So, large yung capacity niya guys Features a large capacity of 5mm by 5mm. So, marami siyang laman guys. Hindi siya madaling maubos. Ideal to for extensive correction needs. So, material durability din siya, made with a high quality materials to ensure long-lasting use. Portable din yung design niya, compact and easy to carry. So, madali lang siyang dalhin guys Perfect to for students and professionals, lalo na pag on the go. So, maliit lang siya, so madali lang talaga siyang dalhin. So, variety yung colors niya guys It comes in 6 different colors, providing a fun and personalized use for student. Yan. So, ulitin ko guys. 6 na piraso nito ang marireceive mo for only 66 pesos. So, mas makakamura ka talaga, and perfect to for students and for employees, lalo na yung mga office works. Madali lang siyang dalhin guys since maliit lang siya. Pero so far guys, marami siyang laman. So matagal siyang maubos. And hindi siya madaling mag-break like yung ganito niya guys Hindi siya madaling mag-break. So mauubos at mauubos talaga yung laman niya. Hindi pa to mapuputol. Ganyan siya kasitibay so far sa na-experience ko guys. Sa lahat ng correction tape, ito yung na-experience ko na matagal or hindi talaga napuputol hanggang maubos na lang yung laman. Ganyan siya guys. So, nakapin lang to ngayon Susunod natin guys,